What if you could revolutionize global trade with just one click? The XDC network might just be the key. Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts and curious minds. This is Zip here to dive back into the XDC network. Whether you're someone with years of trading experience or someone dipping your toes into blockchain, today's video promises immense value. We'll take a closer look at the XDC network, a blockchain powerhouse reshaping the way international business transactions happen. Stay tuned as we break down its features, benefits, and why savvy enthusiasts like you should give it a closer look. You might want to stick around because what XDC brings to the table is a game changer in many ways. Here's why this matters to you. The blockchain space is evolving faster than ever, and you don't want to miss out on innovative platforms that could multiply in real-world impact and potentially in value when that occurs. Let's start by addressing what XDC Network actually is. It's not just another cryptocurrency floating in the digital ocean. It's a hybrid blockchain platform that's been purpose-built to handle the unique challenges of global trade and finance. Picture this: smart contracts that self-execute within seconds, requiring minimal effort yet offering maximum automation and precision. No unnecessary middlemen, no endless delays, and most importantly, no inflated costs you didn't see coming. All of this, plus industry-grade security to ensure transactions remain fail-proof. Think of XDC as a digital trade facilitator, whether you're buying something worth $100 or closing a $1 million deal between enterprises across multiple countries. It bridges gaps in global commerce just like the internet bridged gaps in communication. What makes XDC excel in its niche? Let's break it down. First, speed. XDC processes 2,000 transactions per second. Let that sink in. Each transaction takes just 2 seconds to confirm. For comparison, the Bitcoin network, while revolutionary, processes only about 7 transactions per second. Next, low fees. High gas fees have been obstacles for many industries looking to adopt blockchain, but not with XDC. Its cost-effective system allows businesses to transact without worrying about unnecessary financial burdens, which is critical for industries that deal with high volume but low margin transactions. Security. Top-notch is an understatement. Being a hybrid blockchain, XDC provides the best of both worlds: public transparency and private data encryption, giving businesses the confidence to operate securely in a digital-first space. In essence, XDC's technology levels the playing field for both small and medium-sized enterprises and large corporations, ensuring blockchain adoption is feasible regardless of scale. Now we've got to address the elephant in the room. How does XDC compare to XRP, a name already established in the blockchain space? Both platforms promise speed and security, but their targeted use cases differentiate them. XRP is heavily focused on banking solutions, particularly for financial institutions aiming to improve cross-border payments. It's essentially upgrading the banking system to modern technology, but it remains geared toward banks and similar organizations. XDC, on the other hand, stands out because of its laser-focused attention on enterprises, especially those dealing in global trade and real-world assets. This isn't a blockchain searching for its purpose. It's designed to address issues like inefficiencies in trade finance, digitization of assets, and supply chain operations. For crypto investors, this means XDC expands its scope beyond one industry. It's a universal tool, merging blockchain with the reality of business-to-business interactions worldwide. Here's where things get exciting for both businesses and investors. XDC isn't theoretical. It's already being used for real-world applications that matter. Let's imagine a complex international trade scenario. A company in Japan is buying goods from France. Traditionally, this would involve layers of paperwork, banks intermediating the transaction, and long delays for processing payments. With XDC, this entire process can be transformed. Smart contracts build trust across borders, reducing the turnaround time to almost nothing. From sending small peer-to-peer payments to negotiating deals worth millions of dollars, XDC simplifies it all. For hugely data-driven fields like supply chain management, XDC promises automation and transparency that can reduce operational inefficiencies dramatically. Imagine businesses in separate corners of the world functioning as seamlessly as if they were neighbors. That's the kind of accessibility XDC can provide. Now let's talk about the financial side because we all know that's what caught your attention. The crypto market is volatile, and XDC is no exception, but there are reasons for optimism. Analysts are looking at adoption trends, and many predict XDC to grow its footprint in blockchain usage significantly. Based on market adoption and technological refinement, some projections see XDC reaching near 50 cents in 2025. While these numbers are just forecasts, and we should have a long-term macro view, one thing is clear. The story is less about short-term price action and more about how deeply institutions integrate XDC into their financial systems. For long-term investors, those who research deeply and focus on use cases, XDC could be a compelling addition to your portfolio without being driven merely by fear of missing out. I'm not here to throw financial advice at you, far from it. But as someone passionate about the blockchain ecosystem, I encourage investors to think informed rather than impulsive. XDC obviously isn't a meme coin. There's no mascot causing hype here. What there is happens to be something far more valuable. A calculated, real-world application for blockchain. Before investing, do your homework. Who are XDC's partners? Major players like Securitize are a start. What's the team behind it doing to create sustainable growth? Why has XDC chosen this specific niche instead of competing directly with Bitcoin or Ethereum? And keep in mind its ISO 20022 compliancy. Value is in the details, and XDC has plenty of those. If you're looking for long-term investments backed by solid engineering and partnerships, XDC deserves your attention. One of the most exciting things about XDC in 2024? Its collaborations with companies geared toward connecting the traditional financial world with blockchain. Its partnership with Securitize for asset tokenization is a prime example. This isn't just about buzzwords, it's about enabling genuinely revolutionary use cases. What about its growing presence in trade finance? Platforms like X are highlighting XDC's advancements in areas like asset digitization, which could simplify and drastically improve decades-old methods in financing international trade deals. It's fascinating to see a platform like XDC not just speculating about global impact, but actively working within the space to leave its mark. Before jumping on any new cryptocurrency or blockchain project, research is your best friend. XDC gives us a glimpse into the future of blockchain by bridging digital ecosystems with real-world functionality. At its core, XDC's vision aligns with creating a more seamless, efficient global trade landscape. But here's my challenge to you. Don't just look at XDC, broaden your horizons. Projects like HBAR, ADA, and others have unique strengths worth exploring. Blockchain is not a winner-takes-all game. It's about finding platforms that resonate with your values and long-term goals. So what's your crypto strategy? Are you already holding XDC in your portfolio, or is this your first time hearing about it? Let's talk in the comments below, because building a community of informed investors is far more exciting than racing after the next hyped coin. Now do me a favor, don't forget the simple stuff. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss content that dives deep into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. Thanks for sticking with me while we dissect the XDC network and explore its role in shaping global finance. Please stay safe and avoid the scammers, protect your assets, and keep your mindset locked on the future. We will see you next time. Zip is out.